Understanding collision domain in networking. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and important concept in computer networking: collision domain. Whether you're just starting out in networking or brushing up on your skills, understanding this term is crucial. So, let's dive in and demystify what a collision domain is and why it's important. A collision domain is a network segment where data packets can collide with one another when being sent over a shared medium. In simpler terms, it's like a busy intersection of a road where cars, data packets, can collide if they try to pass through the intersection, network segment, at the same time. In a collision domain, only one device can successfully transmit data at a time, which means that if multiple devices try to send data simultaneously, a collision occurs, leading to network delays and the need for retransmissions. To understand this, think of a group of people trying to talk in a room. If everyone speaks at once, no one can be heard clearly. This is similar to a collision domain. Devices in the same collision domain listen to the network before sending data. If the network is clear, they proceed. If not, they wait. This process is known as carrier sense multiple access with collision detection, CSMA/CD. It helps in managing data traffic and minimizing collisions, but it's not foolproof. When collisions do happen, devices must stop, wait for a random time, and then try retransmitting their data. Collision domains mainly affect network performance. More devices in a collision domain mean more potential for collisions, leading to slower data transmission and reduced efficiency. Understanding and managing collision domains is key to designing efficient networks. In older networks, devices like hubs were prone to large collision domains. Modern networks use switches to break down large collision domains into smaller ones, significantly improving performance. One effective way to reduce collision domains is by using network switches. Unlike hubs, which send incoming data to all connected devices, creating a large collision domain, switches intelligently direct data only to the intended recipient. This action effectively creates a separate collision domain for each connection to the switch, greatly reducing the likelihood of collisions and enhancing overall network efficiency. That's all on collision domains. Understanding this concept is vital for anyone involved in networking, as it helps in designing more efficient and reliable networks. We hope this video has shed light on what collision domains are and how they impact network performance. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.